starting. All right, here we go. It started. This is our vlog. It's day 45 on my vlog, or 44, one of the two.
One of the two.
One of the two. This is Almadin, Tom, alias. Who we got back there? What's
Frank.
your alias? Frank? It's Frankie 2.0.
Frankie 2.0.
Just got off work, rolling home with everybody. We're working on the solar farm out there. You probably can't see it because there's too many trees, but it's pretty awesome. Been living in Hawaii for about a month and a half now, and we're just headed home. This is our daily drive. Take these yodels home. Everybody lives on the way home.
Yep.
Calvin's freaking awesome. I mean, Tom, definitely not Calvin. Elliot's awesome, dude. This guy's got the sickest garden in the world. Elmadin's the most Elmadin I've ever met in my whole life. Never met another Elmadin. So we only got 20 seconds left here. So peace out.